Hello everyone, hope so all of you are doing good. So today what you are going to do today is that general terms of an AP. If you haven't gone through my part 1, the link is given in the description. Okay, so let's start the class. So what you can see is that we are going to do general terms of an AP. So what is this? Suppose let us take an example, AP example. Come and say let's 10, then the second term let it be 20, third term be 30, fourth term be 40, fifth term be 50, sixth term be 60. Okay, so it's in AP form. You can see that it's increasing by 10. Yes or no? Plus 10. This side also you can see plus 10. So common difference is my 10. Okay. So what we can do here is that now suppose somebody asks you to find what is the 12th term. So what is my 12th term? If the first term is 10, second term is 20, third term is 30, 40, that means my 12th term will be 120. So for this we'll derive a relation, general terms of an AP, such that by that relation you'll get all the answer. You can find 12th term also, you can find 18, 100, okay, 120, anything you can find it. So how to derive that general terms of an AP, you can see there. Suppose everyone you know that my first term, what is my first term? A1. So A1 will be my always A. Okay, so that is my 10. So now A2 is my second term. So what will be my second term? A plus D. Check it out, A plus D. So what is my D for this question? What is my D for this question? For this question, D is my any terms minus preceding term. So you know the formula. So it's my, let us take 20 minus 10. So I'm getting 10. So D is my 10. So A is my 10. So let us add it. 10 plus 10. How much I got? 20. Okay. Now let us find the third term. So what happened in the third term? You can see when there was 2, there was 1D. When there is 3, there will be 2D, 1 will decrease. Okay, so let us check 10 plus 2 into 10. So how much? 10 plus 2 into 10, 20 plus 10, 30. So I got the third term also. Hope so you are clear with this. Come on dear student, come and say me what will be my A4. A4 will be A plus, see 3 was there, decreased by 1. So it was 2. Now if it is 4, that means this will be 3D. So it will be 10 plus 3 into 10, D is my 10. So 3 tens are 30, 30 plus 10 is my 40. Okay, hope so you are clear with this. So similarly, can I find A12? Can I find A12? So what is the formula for A12? A plus 12 minus 1. That means it will be 11D is equal to. Okay, understood? Yes or no? 12, then it will be 11. See, you can see 4, this side is 3. So got it the formula. Hope so you are clear with this formula. 10 plus, now it will be 11 into 10. So 11 into 10 is 110. 110 plus 10 is your 120. So by this we can derive a formula that let it be AN. So what will be the formula for AN? AN means nth term. Okay, nth term. So A plus, if it is n, that means this will be n minus 1. D. Yes or no? Got it dear students? See 12 minus 1. If it is an n, then it has to be n minus 1. So this is my formula to find the any terms. So by this formula we can find any terms. Okay, please note it down this formula. So hope so clear. So if you forget in exam also, you can use this trick and you can derive the formula. So an, what will happen? N minus 1. You can see 12, 11, 1 decreasing, 4, 3. Okay, got it. Now by using this property, let us solve some example. Okay, now using the general term of an AP, let us solve this question. So this is from exercise 9.2 ML Agarwal. Okay, so what you can see the question: find the indicated term in each of the following of APs. So what they had given us, so we'll start with given. So they had given us given AP. What they had given AP? Yes, anyone? They had given a 1, 6, then 11, then 16, and dot 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 dot, and you can see it's like this, and they have said A20. So what does this mean is that we have to find A20. Okay, dear student. So what they are given? So you can see here first term. What is my first term? A. So how much A is my? A is my 1. So first term is my 1. So D I have to find. D, how will find? I have done in part 1. So you have to go through that. Okay, so the formula is any term minus preceding term. The formula is any term minus preceding term. So what is my any term? Let us take the second term. So 6 minus 1. So how much I'll get? 5. So I got common difference D. So therefore what you have to find? A 20. Okay. So what was the formula we have done? If it is 20, that's it will be 90. As we have done general term, what is the formula? AN. AN formula was A plus N minus 1 D. Okay. So you can see instead of N, for this question what do you have? Instead of N, 20. So if you put the formula A plus N, N is my 20. So 20 minus 1 D. So what is my A? A is my 1 plus 20 minus 1, 19, and D is my 5. Okay. Now multiply this. 1 plus 9 5s are 45 and 4. So it will be 95. So when I'll add, I'll get 96. So this is my final answer. So I got A20 as 96. Similarly, you can find A30, A40. Hope so you are clear with this. Okay, it's very much simple. Now we are with the third question. You can see what they are given. Find the nth term. So we have to find the nth term and the 12th term of the list of the number 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4. So since we are doing AP, so obviously this given the series number will be in AP only. Okay, so let's start solving this. So we'll write given. So what they are given, obviously this will be in AP only. So what do you have? 5, 2, then it's minus 1, then minus 4. Dot 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 dot. So what you have noticed in this is that you can see 5, then we have 2, so it's decreasing. So decreasing means the D will be always negative only. Okay, so here what do you have? A is my first term. What is given there? 5. Okay, A is my 5. So we have to find the D. So what is the formula? You came to know? Yes. What you said? Yeah, very good. Any term minus preceding term. Okay, preceding term. So what? Let us take first and second only. 2 minus preceding term. What do you have? 5. So 2 minus 5, I got minus 3. So minus 3 is my common difference. So what do you have to find? If you'll see nth term. So let us find nth term first. Nth term. So nth term is denoted by An. Okay, so what is the formula? Just we will put the formula only. So what is the formula for An? Yes, A plus, very good, yes, N minus 1 D. Okay, so what is the value of A? Now just put the value only. Now A is my 5 plus N will be N only, N minus 1, and D, what is my D? D is my minus 3. Now we'll open the bracket. 5 plus, see now, this to into this, so plus into minus will be minus, yeah, 3 into n, this will be 3n, so this will be minus 3n. Okay, now plus into minus, minus is plus, 1 into 3 is 3. So what I got finally? You can see this is my minus 3n, this plus this will be plus 8. Okay, so this is my nth term. So what do you have to find next? You can see the 12th term. So we have to find the 12th term also. So therefore again 12th term. 12th term equals to A12. So instead of n, I can use this formula also. I can use the same formula also. I'll get the same answer also. I'll show you both the method also. Okay. So instead of n, I'll put the 12th in this formula only. In this only. In a term only. 3n plus 8. So instead of n, I'll put 12 plus 8. So 3 12s are how much? Minus 36 plus 8. So minus 36 plus 8, how much I'll get? Yes, dear student, minus 28. So I got minus 28, my A12 term. So by the formula also you can do, or or what you can do, or by the formula. What is the formula? A12, you know that, A plus n minus 1 d. So you can use this formula also. So instead of n, what do you have? Instead of n, what do you have? 12. So I can write A plus, so 12 minus 1, you know, it will be 11 d. Now we will put the value. What is the value of A? A is my 5 plus 11 d. What is the value of d? D is my minus 3. So it's 5 plus into minus 33. So if I'll do minus, how much I'll get? I'll get minus 28. So you can see in both the cases we got the same answer. Okay, understood? Hope so, no confusion in this. You can use directly the value of this also, because this is also my nth term, yes or no? Because by putting the value of A and D, we got the nth term for this series. Okay, so I can use this formula also. If you don't want to use this formula, you can use our general formula also this. So you'll get the same answer only. Hope so you are clear with this. So you can do any one of the process in your examination. Now you can see we are ready with the question number 5. So what is given in the question number 5? You can see which term of the AP. So they had given us arithmetic progression is 78. So they are asking us 78 where it will lie. So what they are given is that given. Okay, so first term is my AP. They had given us AP. What they had given? 3, 8. So this is my first term. This is my second term. And this is my third term. And fourth term is 18. So dot. 78. Which term will be 78? So we have to find which term is 78. That means what we have to find? We have to find 78 means we have to find n. Okay, understood? So they had given us n, so nth term. So let us take this as 78 as nth term. So okay, understood? So let nth term n is equal to 78. Okay, dear student, understood? So which term this 78 lies? So we are finding the n. Okay, so let's see which term it will lie. So now n equals to 78. Now what they are given? A is how much? 3. And now D, every one you know what is the formula? Any term minus preceding term. Okay, so what is the formula? Any term minus preceding term. So let us take second and the first term only. So 8 minus 3 will be my 5. So D is my 5. So what do you have? An is equal to what do you have? 78. So we have An is equal to 78. So what is the formula for An? Yes, what is the formula for An? Yes, say it. A plus n minus 1 d is equal to 78. Now just put the value. So what is the value of A? So you can see it's 3 plus n, I don't know, so I'll write n only, n minus 1. What is the value of D? D is my 5. So bracket means multiply, okay? So it's 78. Now this will be 3 plus 5 into n, 5n, minus plus is minus, 5 ones are 5 equals to 78. So this will be my 5n, this plus minus is minus, so I'll get how much? Minus 2. Always remember the sign will be bigger number sign. 5 is bigger. So what is sign? Minus. So it will be minus 2 equals to 78. Now what I'll have? Now I can have this 5n is equal to 78. This minus 2, when it goes that's it will be plus 2. So plus 2 means how much I'll get? 78 plus 2 is 80. So now therefore n is equal to, so 5 is multiplied, so it will be 80 divided by 5. Now cancel it. By what it will get cancelled? 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, so 3 will be 5 6 are 30, so 5 6 are 30. So therefore I got, therefore equals to 16. So what do you got? That means nth term. So that means 16 term will have 78. So therefore 16 term is equal to 78. Hope so you are clear with this. Okay, so when they'll say us which term, then we have to find the value of n. Please note it down. Okay, so this is my answer. Now you can see we have another question. What you have in this question is that which term of the AP 53, 48, 43 dot is the first negative term. So which one will be the first negative term? So we have to find the term. Again we have to find the term. So let us take let nth term contain first negative term. Okay everyone, understood? So what you have taken is that let nth term contain the first negative term, and what they are given AP. They are given us AP. So what do you have in AP? 53, then we have 48, then we have 43 ... Okay, so if you have noticed, see, it's decreasing. 53, then after that it's 48, then we have 43 ... It's decreasing. Now what happens is that which term will contain the first negative? So we have taken already its nth term. So okay, so now what they are given is A is my 53, and D everyone you know that its formula is any term minus preceding term. Yes or no? So what is my any term? Let us take 48 minus what do you have? 53. So 48 minus 53 will be how much? It will give me minus 5. Why minus 5? Because 53 is bigger and the sign is minus. So what you have taken is that any term contains the first negative. So any term negative means greater than 0 or less than 0. It's less than 0. Yes or no? Negative means less than 0. So we'll solve this in equation. Okay, so an. So what is the formula for an? You know the formula, a plus n minus 1 d. So less than 0. Now we'll put the value. What is the value of a? A is my 53 plus n minus 1. What is my d? D is my minus 5 less than 0. So now we'll open the bracket. So 53 plus minus is minus 5n. See, plus into minus minus is plus 5 less than 0. Okay dear students, so what we can do now? 53 plus 5. So 53 plus 5, how much I'll get? 58. Now whenever you get this type, what you will see is that nth term. So you can see what you have, 5 minus 5n. So this minus 5n, if I'll take to the other side, it will be positive. So it's better to make this positive. So let us take that side. So it will be less than, this will be 5n. Okay, now 5 will come down, so it will be 58 divided by 5 less than n. Means, okay, so now how much it will come in mixed fraction? So it's coming 11. Let us divide at the rough. So you can see 5, 58. 5 11s are 55. So I'm getting 3. So how much I'm getting? 11. 3 by 5 is then n. So therefore what I got? Therefore I got n is greater than 11 3 by 5. So the number of terms, it cannot be fraction. So what you got is that n should be greater than 11 3 by 5. So what will be the greater than 11? So which term will come? So obviously which term will come? 12th term will come. So therefore 12th term contain first negative term. Okay, understood? So okay, I'll show you in a number line also. So suppose this is your 10 and this is 11, this is your 12, this is your 13, this is your 14. So how much I got? 11 3 upon 5. So 11 3 upon 5 will lie here, somewhere here. Okay, so what is greater than 11? So greater than 11 means 12. So 12th term also will contain negative term. 13th term also will contain negative term. 14th term also will contain negative term. 15, 16 all will contain negative term. But the first term which is containing the negative term is the 12th. But in 11 it's positive only. Okay, hope so you are clear with this. So this way we will find the terms also. Okay, understood? So hope so you are clear with this. So if I'll do one more examples, so if I'll solve problems more, so what will happen, the video will be quite longer. Okay, so I'll solve in the next video. Okay, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.